Hello YouTubers, here's another video of my Woolen Mills Belt fan. Again, this is a replica from the 1800s. I had a question about the blade angle and changing the pitch direction, and there are set screws at the hub, and you can put the blades at virtually any angle you want. This is usually the speed I run it at. Again, this is on a Bodine motor controller, a DC drive. It's real quiet, and I can turn this way down where it'll just barely creep. I know this is painful to watch going this slow, but I'm just showing you how slow it'll actually go. And then this is, I'll show you wide open. And for the two-blade fan, it does blow quite a bit of air. Let me shut her down and I'll show you a picture of the set screws up by the hub on the ends of the blades. And those are adjustable, as you can see. Thanks again for watching.